Welcome back to BikeBerry Builds. Last week we stripped the Micargi Pantera all the way down to its frame, then sent it off to get painted. Well, we got it back this week, so let's take a look at the new paint job and begin putting together some of the parts that we want to use. For the frame, we decided to keep the original color in mind, so we went with a darker gray. When we put the bike back together, we decided to swap out the tires and handlebars for a fresher look. We cleaned up the wheels and the seat and kept them part of the ensemble. Now that the bike is put back together, let's start to add the engine kit and some of the accessories. So we decided to go with the BBR Tuning 2-stroke Stage 4 engine. With this, we're going to attach it with some vibration motor mounts. We also have a BBR Tuning Stage 1 CDI. And we're going to be attaching the original gas tank. We really did like this chrome tank, so we cleaned it up a little bit. And we're going to be attaching that back on with a brand new fuel line, nice and clear. And we're going to go with the original chain tensioner. With that being said, let's get started. The Pantera is now repainted, rebuilt, and ready to ride. Tune back in next week when we reveal this bike and take it out for a spin. Until then, enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching BikeBerry Builds. Don't forget to enter our raffle for your chance to win the rebuilt Pantera. There's many ways to enter, so start by clicking the link down below. And make sure to tune back in at the end of the month for the giveaway.